How to remove YouTube Shorts. So there's been a new update in 2026 where you can turn off YouTube Shorts. You can stop them from showing up on your feed like you can see here. And how you're going to do that is by clicking the bottom right hand corner where you see your profile picture where it says you. Then here, click the top right hand corner where you see the settings cog. Next, click on time management. Then in the time management section, scroll down to the bottom where it says daily limits. You'll see shorts feed limit. Click on that, then click on 0 minutes. So what that will do is mean that you will not be able to watch a second of YouTube Shorts. You will not see them pop up on your YouTube recommended page once you have refreshed. You can see there, initially it was on there. Now you will not be able to see any YouTube Shorts pop up on your home recommended page. And if you click on YouTube Shorts at the bottom of your YouTube app, you will just see this here. You've reached your shorts feed limit. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.